family. But we're very happy to have you in our lives. Maraming salamat kasi si Kuya. Hindi kami masyadong close ni Kuya eh. Kasi medyo away pati. Ako umalis ako mga 15 years ago na. So nakakilala din ako ng mga girlfriend ni Kuya. Pero si Ate Jane lang yung pangalanan ko. Hindi, pero si Ate Jane lang yung parang first meeting ko pa lang, kampante na yung logo na nakita ko na masaya si Kuya. Nakita ko na nagbago si Kuya, yung mabait. Tapos isang litro na lang ng Red Horse. Dati mga 5, gano'n. Tsaka inalagaan niya ni Ate si Daddy. So parang very, very grateful ako na andun silang dalawa para alagaan si Daddy. So maraming salamat Ate. So message ko lang para sa inyo dalawa. Being married is difficult, especially pag may mga trials kayo, ganyan. So, ang importante lang, trust. Pero pag may hinala ka kay Kuya, ibig sabihin may kape. So, pag may iwan na agad, joke lang. Trust, tapos syempre respect. Walang boss, walang under. Dapat pareha lang kayo. So, pag nag-aaway din kayo ganyan, make sure na hindi kayo nagsisigawan, hindi kayo nagsasakitan, syempre. Sinasabi nila, huwag daw mag-away or magbati bago matulog, bago pagdating sa kama. Pero sa akin, hindi ako naniniwala sa ganun. Kasi minsan, pag in the heat kayo ng argument, you have to have time to, na kumalma. Mga hindi ko walang tulog. So, yeah, have time to, calm down. Tapos, make sure na okay na kayo kung nag-usap kayo. Para pag-usapan nyo na maayos. So, make sure na pag-gising nyo, pag-usapan nyo. Tapos, love lang agad. Siyempre, communication. So, dapat nagsasabi kayo lagi, wala kayong secrets, ganyan. Sinasabi nyo lagi yung mga nararamdaman nyo. Pag masama yung road nyo sa isa't isa, sabihin nyo kung bakit. I think, yeah, that's the three of the most important para sa marriage. So, yeah, welcome Ate. We love you. Mommy, ang tumocho is Daddy and Jay.
Thank you so much, Miss Christine. Of course, andito ang ating best man, Ryan.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ryan. Para sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, I'm Jay's cousin. And when we were kids, we spent a lot of time with Jay and my cousin Jason there. We used to ride the bike in Kaintabing Park, play basketball there. So, kapabata ko talaga si Jay. Pero eventually, as time goes by, we somehow separate ways. No? Kasi ako yung unang nag-asawa sa mga magpipinsan. And kumbaga ako yung naunang maka-experience sa magpipinsan ng marriage. Si Jay, masasabi ko, he is a very free-spirited person. Very relaxed. Pero I can see the dedication with Jay. Being called by his friends and colleagues as mates, as mentor, is a big word. No? In the line of business, siya yung may gustong gawin talaga na mag-establish ng kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. Even people are saying na mahirap yan, no? Pero he's still dedicated on what he normally do and loves to do. And I think that's the best part of Jay. Kung ano yung gusto niya, ay talagang ilalaban niya. And when I saw sa Facebook na he's like in love with this person, I was very intrigued in some way. Sabi ko, sino yan? Bago. Pero nakita ko tinuloy-tuloy niya yung talagang sunod-sunod yung post niya. Because we are not living here na in some like mga ilang years na. So ang communication communication lang namin ni Jay is more on Facebook. Nakikita ko lang yung mga post niya. And for Jay to be proud of this lady and binobroadcast niya sa buong Facebook community and friends and relatives, it's something different. And I think yun yung nakikita ko kay Jay na very kakaiba sa kanya. For the both of you, as a married man, sabi yung nanitin, this is not the end of your love story. This is actually just the beginning. Okay? And the beginning, yun nga, sabi yung father kanina, honeymoon stage is okay, and then eventually, doon mo makikita yung mga flaws ng bawat isa. Hopefully, you stick to it. Kahit ano bang makita ng isa bawat isa sa inyo, ng mga konting mga flaws, you need to work it out. And be happy with it. And very important now is you love each other. I think that's the basic foundation of marriage. Is kapag nag-aaway kayo, yung mga photos, yung mga videos na capture today, balikan nyo na lang yun at tignan nyo na this day, you are very happy with each other. And basically that's it. And I'd like to toast, cheers to everyone, to the new couple. Congratulations and best wishes.
Cheers everybody for love, life, and happiness. Masigawang palakpakan together with our best man and maid of honor for the wonderful message for the couple.